Today we're talking about our accessible bathroom WC lock. We wanted to go through this particular lock set because the way it fits to the door is slightly different to how you might have seen other locks fitted. So this is a quick walkthrough on the installation and some of the key features. The first thing you might notice is that the handle and the two handles aren't exactly in line. On the outside of the door, the handle is slightly higher up, and on the inside of the door, the handle is slightly lower down. There's a quite clever and unique reason for this. The outside handle controls the latch bolt, so you can get in and out of the door, with a sign bolted through to a sign on the inside, which describes how to lock the door. On the inside of the door, the lever is lower down and can be lifted up to lock the door and lifted down to unlock the door. And then, if you continue the operation all the way down, that retracts the roller to allow you to gain access. Common question we're asked is, why does this lock set not have a traditional thumb turn? Well, to meet the requirements of BS 8300 and approved Document M, there are dimensional requirements that state that you can't pinch to turn a thumb turn. So this clever lock set allows you to lift the handle with a clenched fist, saving the need to pinch and turn a thumb turn. Great for accessible users. Looking for help specifying this product for your project? Feel free to give myself or one of the team a call or email.